My name is Joanne Butler and I run a small business called OURganic Gardens in Donegal. My profession has kind of been a little bit off the beaten path, as they say. I was a stay-at-home mum for 7 years, and then I started to work in my local community gardens in Donegal, and with that I started to then create a network of community gardens throughout the county, teaching horticulture, teaching permaculture, and just basically getting people involved in growing food at home. I've always been interested in the climate, I suppose, coming from a local food background and interested in where my food comes from. So that naturally led me on to the issues of the global climate crisis that we're in. I've done a lot of work on global citizen education, and from that I wanted to really kind of like expand my sphere of influence. So I think that getting involved in the Climate Ambassador programme just made sense. You know, I don't want to be afraid anymore. I don't want to be afraid of making the wrong decisions. I have a young family. I have family at home that I care about, but I also care about the planet, and I care about right outside my door. I want to leave this planet in a better place, and I think the Climate Ambassador programme allows me to do that. It allows me to get to know other people that are also just, you know, making their sphere of influence a little bit better as well. So that's what I believe in, and I think that the Climate Ambassador programme gives me strength to do that. So far it's been a good year. My role, I was working in my local development company as Climate Action Officer, and then I left that role to go back to my gardening and to go back to the land, get my hands in the soil, and the Climate Ambassador programme allowed me to see what else is out there and to see the other projects that are happening in the county. I'm really looking forward to Climate Action Week and getting involved in working with the local county council, and also running a project at home called Our Garden, Our Home. And I'm also hoping to link in with the other climate ambassadors in Donegal and maybe get a little meet up and discuss plans for the future.